Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget.
And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now going back.
All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Bitget wallet. And then here, go ahead and go to wallet again at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now tap on receive. Okay. Tap on it. For example, you'd like to receive some USDT, USDC, Solana, and some other options right here. All right. So just for this example, I'm going to be using USDT because I have USDT on my Binance account. Okay. Now go ahead and select the network. It could be a BNB chain, Solana, or Ethereum. Okay. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and use Solana USDT right here. And then here we have the QR code. So what we're going to do is basically we are using just one phone. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the code or wallet address right here. I'm going to go ahead over to Binance. Now go ahead and go to the bottom right, tap on assets. Now just go ahead and tap on send. Now tap on on-chain withdraw. Okay. Tap on it. Now, as you might have remembered, we have used USDT. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and select USDT in here. I'm going to ignore this pop-up. Now it says address. Now go ahead and tap and hold, paste the copied address, and as you can see here, the network is auto-matched. Okay, if that's not, tap on the drop down, select the correct network. All right, and after that, just go ahead and type down the amount that you would like to send from Binance to your Bitget wallet. And after that, just tap on withdraw right here, follow simple prompts, and you're good to go. That is how you transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.